Hi everyone, I'm Emily Probst, Managing Editor of Modern Machine Shop. I'm here with Michael Guckes from Gartner Intelligence, and we're here to talk about a new product you have called the Snapshot. Tell me more about it.
So the Snapshot is a new Gartner Business Index product, and it's really focused on shops, processors, fabricators. So what Snapshot allows us to do is we build a customized index for each of our customers or clients, and the idea is that it's a way to give them just the data that they want, that they need to make forward-looking business decisions.
It's my understanding that Gartner Intelligence has a couple different levels of product offerings, one being a basic general data offering, and one being, on the other end of the spectrum, more of a Cadillac version with all the bells and whistles. So then where does the Snapshot fall within this product offering, and who's this good for?
Right, so that general offering that you're talking about, our readers are already familiar with that. They see it every month when they open up Modern Machine Shop magazine and look at the Metalworking Business Index. So that's a very high level aggregated view of the metalworking economic indicators. And what Snapshot does is it takes it down a couple levels. We're filtering the data by which end markets they serve, which region of the country they are selling into, and of course their manufacturing process. And so it allows us to really create something that is much more customized and granular.
So Michael, how is the Snapshot then delivered?
The Snapshot is delivered monthly. It is a PDF, and it's all graphics. There's no need for the customer, the user, to do any kind of calculation. So they'll get 10 to 12 PDFs of, again, just the charts of what matters to their business. And that's a really big advantage. A lot of data that is offered on the manufacturing industry is done annually. A little bit is done quarterly. There's very little that's done monthly like this.
All right, so I'm a shop owner and I want this information. How do I sign up?
Absolutely. So you go to our website, gardnerintelligence.com, and you can see there that we'll have a contact form. You can use that. You can also call us if you want. And so there's a couple of different ways you can begin that conversation of learning more about what a customized report using the Snapshot tool would look like.
Thank you so much, Michael.
You're welcome.
And for more information on the Gartner Snapshot, visit gardnerintelligence.com.